Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series on how to use the Fasinii website. In this first video, we will guide you through the simple process of finding our website on Google and exploring its homepage. So let's get started. Step 1. Finding the Fasinii website. You can easily find our website on Google by searching in a few different ways. First, you can simply type Fasinii in the search bar and hit enter. Our website should pop up as one of the top results. Step 2. Direct access via URL. Alternatively, you can enter the URL directly. Just type www.fasinii.com in your browser's address bar and you will be taken directly to our homepage. Step 3. Exploring the homepage. Once you've reached the Fasinii homepage, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface designed to make your car rental experience smooth and enjoyable. As you scroll down, you'll notice a section showcasing our trending cars. This is where you'll find the latest and most popular vehicles available for rent on our platform. Moving on, we have the Browse by Car section. Here you can filter your search by specific car models, brands, and features. It's a convenient way to narrow down your options and find the perfect vehicle that suits your needs. Next up is the Browse by City section. If you're looking to rent a car in a particular city, this section allows you to select your location and explore the availability options nearby. Last but not least, you'll find a section where you can easily click to rent out a vehicle or put up your vehicle for rent. Just click on your desired link and you'll be guided through the process. Finding and navigating the Fasinii website is as easy as that. Whether you're searching for a specific car, browsing by city, ready to book your next vehicle, or ready to put up your vehicle for rent, our website is designed to make the process seamless and hassle-free. Stay tuned for more video tutorials in our series where we will guide you through every aspect of using the Fasinii platform. If you have any questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to reach out. Happy browsing and happy renting, and thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next tutorial.